This is a 582, 782, and 682. So if you think your Cub Cadet should have been red, it's not an 82, it shouldn't have been. Very cool though. That's the older style cart too. Some 110s. 72 Cub, I got one of them. It was amazing. A tractor trunk. Neat. Formal HV, so the V stands for high crop. Like AV, CV. Like that.
Okay. One last thing I gotta look at. The brakes weren't good enough for me to scoot this thing down the hill.
Here's Hydro Cub. That's an older one. The newer ones had it over here, like 1450.
Oh boy, that might not be the
That thing looks so fun. Another 72. Alice Chalmers B12. A 123 with a wood chipper. That is cool. Here's a 1450. I got a 1450. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like the older ones had the hydro lever here. The newer ones have it like that. That thing's nice. 782D, so that would mean it's a diesel. 3-cylinder diesel, that's cool.
Have you ever had a diesel Cub Cadet?
No.
No?
I want one. If you guys have one, give it to me, please. Another 782, so this is gas because it's not a 782D. And a 127. Nice 149 Cub. Or what is it? Yep. So the 14 in that means it's a 14 horsepower. If you got like a 72, that means 7 horsepower. One of
I
those.
think these are the guys that live.
Oh yeah. Right on.
service.
What is it?
Jones Farm Service.
When we were going to work, I seen them putting duals on one of these. I think it was a B12.
Yep.
Boy, they pulled this one right out of the weeds. She will clean up real good with that.
Oh yeah.
Real good.
Sigma.
A Deutz Alice. Now this one's cool. I like that. Little bicycle wheel.
It's a turbo. It's got a turbo on it.
Nice. I like that one.
Yeah, I do too, because it got a turbo.
That's sharp.
Yeah, it is. Now Chalmers. I like how they have a lot of Cub Cadets here. So this got a sickle mower. Yeah. So depending on the horsepower, this would be a 100 series. Like 1200, 1400, because it's stick shift. If it was like 1250, it'd be hydrostatic. 1450 like mine. Another 1250. Dude, these Cubs are so beautiful. I've actually never brung one of my Cubs here, even though I have a lot of them. I got 5 or 6. I lost count. 70 is beautiful. 123 hydrostatic. That's neat. 122 Hetchinger. Mom, you're prehistoric. What's hatching her?
It was like a Home Depot before there was Home Depot.
Oh, wow.
Like a lumber yard.
Oh, okay. You're playing some Johnny Cash. 318. This is cool. All hydraulics. That's neat. There's a wheel horse with steel wheels in there. That's neat. A 1250 cup. Yeah, this is a pretty big motor. I bet that's only 1.5 horsepower. Sweet little Farm All H right here. Little 4-cylinder. Down here's some John Deere's. Some 3020s and one 720. Can't leave out the Massey Harris though. With power steering, I bet that thing's a good, nice ride. I was wishing I had one of them to do the tractor drive this morning because we were like half a mile behind everyone on my slow little mini tractor that I built. $730.
Tractor down here you're really gonna like.
Got a big block?
Got a big block.
782D. So this is a diesel with hydraulic lift. Got 2 front ports for a hydraulic plow. Does it got a sleeve hitch? Nope, no sleeve hitch though.
Their cup blew off. They're stacked.
There you go. 966 Farmall. Farmall and pulling tractor. 1210 Cub Cadets. It's a single cylinder, 12 horse, hydro. Farmall F30. Wow, that's, this thing's sweet. Lowered A. That is so cool.
Get up on your tractor anymore and you'll bring your tractor to you.
See, this is what it started as, and they were able to flip it upside down. Flip the portals and everything.
I dig it.
I do too. Farmall 450. Oh, forget it. This thing got a big black Mopar. You can tell by the distributor. Look at that. That's so cool. 560, I think that Farmall is.
Rack and pinion steering, this thing will cruise up the highway.
Oh yeah.
Not very far on that little tank of fuel gas.
No. Probably.
It'll cruise down.
Farmall M. Farmall M on the trailer too. I like it. Bunch of Cub Cadets and Farmalls here. Farmall BN for sale. $14.50 or best offer.
I seen one when we were pulling it, it said runs okay. That one got the love seat.
Yeah, that's where the mama and the baby were on.
We were following this one in the parade.
Yeah.
Couldn't keep up with you, could it?
They were in front of us.
This is neat. I've never
Diesel.
diesel, yeah. That's cool. Farmall in, that's sweet. $350, $10.66 on my green tractor. $9.66. Look at that suitcase weight. Man. Farmall H, probably an M. John Deere 318. of Farm All M's here. I like it.
Car.
Alice Chalmers, what's that? WD series? Alice Chalmers B. Alice Chalmers 170, I think. 180. Farm All H.
What's this, Alan?
What?
What's this?
Case.
Case. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Just wondering.
72 Cub. That's cool. Alice Chalmers B. CA. A WC. A WG.
That's what love the parade.
I don't know what it is.
Yeah, actually, a lot of places.
So you could put like cultivator here, plow back there. You could put a sprayer system on it.
They were very versatile.
They got little 3 cylinders. Like the motors. No, it's a 4 cylinder. They're so cool. So cool with the little tractors. This truck's neat. Kind of got a lift on it. Low boy. Right? That's a low boy, right? No. Yeah.